Honey, have you seen all them old pillowcases? Nope, haven't seen any of them. So that's how. I know that thing's squealing, but let's try to get it. Let's try to get it straight. And it's tough to do, especially on camera here. I'm trying to get it all in, but I'm gonna try to get it where I want it with the servo tester, and then hold it there somehow, and then center the servo in the servo tester, and then lock it down like that. So I'm just eyeballing. I'm kind of looking at this point, and then that point, and then over here in the center. And once I get it all lined up, I'm looking at the aileron itself and just trying to see how much we can see above the ruler, and then kind of remember that, and then do the same. So I pretty much like that right there. I had to pause it because people were walking by and you could hear them talking. So I like that, and that was definitely way off from what I had. Alright, I ended up getting it pretty dang close, and ended up using a piece of wire, some real thin wire, and stretching it across both ends of it, pretty much in the middle, and then just eyeballing it. Like that, and then looking at both sides, trying to get an idea. I first had it where they were flat across the bottom, and that's not how they need to be. They need to be in the middle of both of them. So that's where we're going to start. We're going to try it here in a minute when we get up to the park. Let's put it on the CG machine and make sure that's good. Alright, the CG is 2 to 3 inches. When it's such a big area of where the center of gravity is, because this was intended to be a glow powered plane, you know, nitro. Sorry about the background, I got charger going, cars going. So it's a big area because it was intended to be nitro. And as your fuel ran out, your CG can change a little bit too. So they're designed to fly with a big area. But 2 to 3 inches. I've got these stickers right here marked at about 2.5. Got a battery in it. pretty dang tail heavy. I'm gonna stand here just right. So at 2.5, it's pretty tail heavy. Closer to the 3 mark, it's got a little nose down. So when I go to fly out, I'll make sure I push my battery forward just a little bit. Let's do it upside down. Got stickers on it as well. So at 2.5 upside down, it's nose down. So we'll take that